Macy, go get Dad's slippers. Hurry. Good girl. Can you go get Dad's other slipper, please? Good girl.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Sit. Lie down. Can you sneeze? Good girl. Okay, let's go get a treat. Macy, can you go shut the door? Can you shut the door? Can you bow? Can you dance?